Okay, here's page 268. Let's go ahead and get started. So, if you remember from the last page, we were converting units, right? We're converting different types of units. This time we're going to focus on weight, the weight of something. So we're working with ounces and pounds. So let's go ahead and read the problem. Wanda is shopping for a pet carrier for her cat. One small carrier can hold 240 ounces. I'm going to underline that. I know that's important. Her cat weighs 12 pounds. Can the carrier hold her cat? So, they like to use the bar model, and it's very helpful to help you keep track. Okay, so what they did here, they marked out 12 pounds, right? We have 12 pounds. We're trying to find out how many ounces equals 12 pounds. So they made it 12 long. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pounds. And they went ahead and put ounces with that so that they could add 16 plus 16 plus 16. But they went ahead and multiplied, okay? So they did 12 times 16 to find 192 ounces. Okay? That's just one way to show this. You can also show it with this type of model. This table shows it a little bit different. So what they're saying is, okay, I know 1 pound is 16 ounces, right? Well, that means 2 pounds has to equal 32 ounces. 16 plus 16 is 32. 3 ounces is 3 pounds is 48 ounces because 3 times 16 is 48. And they went all the way to 12. So they just made it a little bit different. Okay, I just wanted to explain that to you. So let's go ahead and answer some questions. The bar model shows that 1 pound equals how many ounces? So when we go back over here, we can either use this one or we can use this one. I'm going to go ahead and use this. 1 pound was 16 ounces. And we abbreviate that OZ. What do you multiply the number of pounds by to find the number of ounces? So what they're saying is when you're going from pounds to ounces, what do you multiply by? You should say 16. Because if you had 4 pounds, let's say we had 4 pounds, and I need to know how many ounces that is, well, I need to know how much is 1 pound, right? And that's 16. So what we would do is take 4 times 16 to find that answer, okay? So that's all that's saying is you would take it by 16. Write an expression that shows how to convert any number of pounds to ounces. Use P to stand for the number of pounds. So that's exactly what I was trying to say up here. But instead of making up a number, P is going to be pounds. So P, right, times the number of ounces in 1 pound, which was 16, equals what? Our answer, right? So let's try it with this one. Let's do 4 times 16, and that will give us our answer of P. So we need to find out what is 4 times 16, right? I'm going to go over here and make my area model. 10 plus 6, we break 16 into 10 plus 6. I'm going to put 4 on the side, right? 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 10 is 40. When I add those two together, I get 64. So this would be 64 ounces. Okay, number 5. Use the expression to solve the problem from the previous page. Can the carrier hold the cat? Show your work. So, we said that her cat was 12 pounds, right? When we go back over here, we read her cat weighs 12 pounds. We know that there are 16 ounces in 1 pound, right? So we have to multiply that. I'm gonna use this side. To break 12, I can use 10 plus 2, right? And then I need to break 16. I'm going to do 10 plus 6. 10s are good numbers to multiply by. Okay, 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 10 is 60. 2 times 10 is 20. 10 times 10 is 100. So we need to add all those together. 100 plus 60 plus 20 plus 12. So I should know 100 plus 60 is 160. Okay, so I'm going to do 160 plus 20 equals 20 plus 60 is 80. So I'm going to put 180. Then I know 180 plus 12, right? 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 8 is 9. 1 plus 0 is 1. So our answer here is 192 ounces. So can the carrier hold the cat? Well, the cat weighs 192 ounces. Let's go back and read. The carrier can hold 240, so our answer is yes, it can. Okay, so we need to describe how you convert larger units to smaller. When we go from larger to smaller, we multiply. Let's try some more. Steve buys 14 ounces of kiwis and 2 pounds of peaches. How many more ounces do the peaches weigh than the kiwis? Okay, so I'm going to underline some important things I need to remember. 14 ounces of kiwis, 2 pounds of peaches. Okay, so we need to find out how many ounces are in 2 pounds of peaches. Remember that 1 ounce weighed 16, right? So 16 times 2. 16 times 2. Well, if you remember, we have this handy dandy chart right here. 2 pounds is equal to 32 ounces. So, how much more is peaches than kiwis? How would I find that answer? I'm going to subtract, right? Because peaches is more, I need to find out the difference between the two. Okay, I need to regroup. Go up here, well, this 3 becomes a 2. This 2 becomes 12. 12 take away 4 is 8. 2 take away 1 is 1. So it's 18 more ounces. An empty suitcase has a mass of 2 kilograms. Draw a bar model to find its mass in grams. Okay, so we got a little handy dandy clue here. So 1 kilogram, I'm just going to put kg, right, is equal to 1,000 grams. So what it's saying is, what would 2 kilograms be equal to? If 1 kilogram is 1,000, 2 kilograms will be 2,000, right? Okay, I hope this is helpful. You do need to take a picture of these 2 pages. I guess it's really just this page. Take a picture of this page and send it to me, okay? That is your homework for today.